Uganda naffe tutuuse wano.
Yeah, people don't believe. Actually, things are made here. Tell them what they can believe.
My name is Alan Musa. I'm the Director of Marketing and Sales at Kiira Motors Corporation, and it's a pleasure to have you on board the Kayoola diesel coach. This lovely.
The screens there, so cameras, details, so.
Let him come in. You need to start it so that to remove these displays. Oil,
That one is just.
it's been built by Kiira Motors Corporation, and Kiira Motors is a state enterprise that was established to champion value addition in the nascent automotive industry through technology transfer, supply chain localization, and contract manufacturing. We have not only built this coach here in Uganda, but I've also built the Kayoola EVS, which is a fully electric low-floor city bus. But today, we have this amazing coach that has done the whole country. It has traversed the whole country, right from the mountain ranges. It has gone to Makishan Falls, the biggest national park in the country. It has gone to Karamoja. It has gone to the east, the central. It has seen it all. It has been on all kinds of terrain, and it has delivered an exceptional experience for any commuter that is doing a long distance travel. So the design concept or the design philosophy behind the coach was, how do we give Ugandans an exclusive executive feel as they take their long journeys? You know, we have so many of our mothers, our fathers, our brothers and sisters that traverse, from Arua, for example, 500 kilometers away to come to the central business district to transact, to do some business, and then they go back. Coming all the way from Nairobi to here and then back. We have our tourists that are coming to see the beautiful land of Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. We want to give them an African Ugandan experience of class, and luxurious travel at the same time, while keeping it Ugandan, buying Ugandan, and building Ugandan. Safety and comfort. And then once the journey, you've reached a point and you would like to enjoy, say, a beverage, there's a fridge on board. So this fridge is able to carry up to at least 53 bottles of water.
Wow.
Or your favorite beverage, whatever it is you prefer to take.
Yeah.
You can stack them from the bottom up.
Yeah.
And then this you adjust the temperature of whatever it is.
Tukole switch. Tokirabe obuzibu bwendina simanyira.
Kanyuma kusitani. Agenda jimusa kweli?
Ajibusa.
Eh. Pare. Aha.
Of the peoples on board. So we're giving you a 360, you know, as you'll see also the panoramic view at the top, on the sides, big windows, so that when you're out there experiencing nature, Uganda's finest, you're not obstructed, you know, you can take it all in. But also the driver will limit the blind spots for the driver in the process, so that it is also safe for the pedestrians and the other road users that are out there.